Hello everyone, today I will talk about gold. I will talk about the current range, I will talk about the sideways movement and about new potential trading opportunities after escaping from this pattern. But also today the fundamentals will move the market, so we'll have to be careful. There is disclaimer, support if you have questions, so please read the disclaimer, guys. So later we'll have the US prelim gross domestic product, 1.1% growth expected, unemployment claims, also pending home sales, guys, prelim GDP price index. So the US economic data could have an impact, a big impact, could move the markets, could shake the markets, could bring high volatility, sharp movements on gold. And about gold, let's take a look here. Sideways movement, a range between 1984 1952. Sideways movement after yesterday's false breakout with great separation, a new sell-off. Sideways movement. The price of gold is still it is undecided in the short term. Let's take a look on the dollar index, guys. After this amazing rally, we cannot exclude potential retreat, because I've talked about the dollar index today in my market breakdown video, and said that after this strong rally I would like to see a retreat. A potential retreat here on the dollar index could force the price of gold to turn to the upside, to come back higher. But personally, maybe I would have liked here to see test, retest, false breakdowns, great separation, before turning to the upside, okay? Because right now, no, I don't want to buy gold. I would have liked to see something like false breakdowns, test, retests, to signal that or to confirm that the sell-off ended and that the price could really turn to the upside. Because here we have 1965 as immediate resistance. Only test, retest, or false breakouts could signal a potential new sell-off. But in the short term, as I've said, the dollar index's drop and potential correction retreat could force the yellow metal to turn to the upside, to develop a new upwards movement. But also after this rally, maybe here it could come back down, and then only then to really develop a strong upwards movement. Okay, so also about this range, guys, about this range here in the short term, that's why personally I would have liked to see something like this. I will select another color here, test, retest, and false breakdowns, because maybe here testing, retesting, and retesting this demand zone, this order block here, and registering only false breakdowns here, it would have signaled maybe a potential rally, and also an imminent upside breakout from this range, because you can see here false breakout from above the range's resistance, sell-off. Okay, also here testing, retesting here, and false breakdowns, it would have signaled a potential rally here. Also, guys, this range could represent a potential downside continuation pattern as well. Could represent a distribution pattern. Okay, so if we'll have something like this, okay, if the price will drop and close and stabilize below the medium line, and if it will invalidate, if the price invalidates this order block and this demand zone, then the price of gold could open the door, could activate a potential downside movement and larger drop here on 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Okay, because after this massive sell-off range and taking out the support, the dynamic support here, the medium line, and invalidating this demand zone, could open the door for a larger downside movement. But as I've said, maybe personally I'm looking for potential longs in the short term, only because the dollar index is overbought in the short term. But it remains to see how it will react. In my opinion, better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate, to continue its appreciation, and could force the price of gold to drop, or worse than expected data, guys, worse than expected US data could lift the price of gold. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.